Hey, Dr. Steve here with another Curology Minute. Indispensable health information your body demands that you know. Today's focus is the third of a five-part series on chronic fatigue. In the first two parts, we covered lack of sleep and blood sugar problems like diabetes and prediabetes. Another possible culprit is anemia. Up to half of all women suffer from it, mainly due to menstrual losses, but men are not exempt. When there's not enough hemoglobin in your red blood cells, or there's something wrong with how the hemoglobin carries oxygen, you begin to feel tired. Not enough oxygen is getting to critical areas, including your brain. You may also feel lightheaded, get out of breath easily, or feel cold all of the time. There are a lot of anemia types, but the main one, hands down, is from iron deficiency. When you lose a lot of menstrual blood, for example, and don't replenish nutrients like iron, your body can't make enough new hemoglobin. You can check to see if you may be anemic by pulling down your lower eyelid, and you should see pink to reddish color. Sometimes it can be hard to tell. Sometimes you have to compare with a healthy friend. The only way to be sure is blood tests, though, and if you don't have heavy periods or you're a man, get checked out. You may be losing blood from some other area like ulcers or colon polyps or even colon cancer. The prescription? You need plenty of iron, folate, and other B vitamins to make enough healthy red blood cells. Leafy vegetables or supplements will get you there, but if you don't have anemia, don't take too much iron. It may be bad for you and can cause problems, including constipation. For more tips, please visit us at Curology.com and Curology.tv. This is Dr. Steve encouraging you to be nice to your body. It's the only one you have. Take action and take care.